आज हम लोग निकले हैं वॉक पर, इवनिंग वॉक पर। और मैंने डिसाइड किया है कि वॉक के साथ साथ एक वीडियो भी बनाते हैं। और उस वीडियो में हमें एक चैलेंज है, व्हाट आनवी, अयान एंड मी आर गोइंग टू टेक। तो हमें करना ये है कि हमें 5 चीज़ें ढूंढनी है, क्योंकि हम लोग सोसाइटी के अंदर ही वॉक कर रहे हैं। आनू, टुडे वी विल प्ले अ गेम आउटसाइड, ओके? So as we are strolling outside, we have to find 5 things. White car, yes. तो आज हमें find करना है 5 things during our walk. इधर आओ, first come here, first stop. So we are going to play a game today. No, Anna, what game are we playing? That we have to find a pink flower, light blue car, and we have to find a dog. And a butterfly.
Yes, butterfly.
And a crow. Okay, shall we begin? Come, let's go for a walk. Do you know what things we have to find? We have to find a light blue car, and a butterfly, a dog, and a butterfly, Anvi. A butterfly and a crow. Let's find. Cat?
Yes.
You saw a cat? Oh, yes, there is a cat. See, there is a cat.
She's face.
You cannot see her face. Hey, cat run away. See, you scared. Oh, there was one more brown color cat. It was huge. Anna, you have not to go and see like this. It might snatch on you. It might jump on you. Yes. The cats are sometimes very dangerous. Okay. I don't want to make this walk a tragic. Cat is very dangerous. It is huge. It is very big. Oh, she's very angry at you. She's very angry at you. Come, let's go. Oh my God. She. That cat is very angry. Did you see? Very dangerous car.
He gone very fast.
Now let's go.
I got scared of that one.
Let's go. Okay. Now we are playing a game na. That
Joker.
mission na. We are in. That we have to find a light blue car. Who will find light blue car? Where is light blue car? Oh, you got it. But okay, but this is not actual light blue. But let's see if we can't find the other light blue car. Okay. So this is the light blue car they have found. Okay, next we have to find, Anna. What next? What next we have to find? We have to find a pink color flower. A pink color flower. Find a pink color flower, Anvi. Anna, did you see any crow? Did you see any crow? The crow is also in a challenge. We have to find crow also. No, did you see any pink color flower? I already find, but you guys find. You guys have to find pink color flower. You saw? Where? Oh, Anu got pink color flower. Very good. Okay, we have not to touch it. Otherwise, the owner will beat us. Come, let's go. Let's go. Beautiful. Yes, it is beautiful. How will we find a butterfly, crow, and dog? How will we find? Come. Walk aside. What we have to find now? Anvi, don't go to the trash. Okay, what we have to find now? A butterfly, a crow. No. We have not to find Buzz. Buzz is not in our list. Where is the butterfly? Hey, crow! A crow came! See, a crow came. Huh? We find the crow. No, don't disturb. He has come to drink water, beta, water. You should not disturb the crow. Okay? Now, Anvi, as we have find the crow, a blue car. Now what we have to find? A dog and a butterfly. The wind is very strong today, isn't it, Anna? Yes, it is very strong. Come, Anna. Don't pick anything from the road. Don't. Ayan! Wait. Anu, come. Ayan, come. Ayan, come to Anvi. I think it is a straw, Anna. What do you think? No. Why you are picking the dirty things? Come, let's go. Then I'll not take you for a walk. Okay, we have yet to find what we have to find? Butterflies. If we not find the butterfly, we will lose the game. We have not find the butterfly, not even a dog. Where is the dog? Let's see that side. If we can find the dog. No. There is no dog.
I just want to see this no dog. I just want to see this no dog.
We did not miss the game. We are losing the game. I'm not. Hey, dog. Hey, wait. Don't run fast. Slow. We have not to go near to the dog. Don't. We are just playing a game, Anna. We have not to go. Ayan, stop. Anna, it might come to you. Stop, Anna. Don't go. See, we have two dogs. Wait. Anna, don't go, yaar. Come, hold my hands. Anna, hold my hands. Now don't go. There is dog. Oh, that dog will bite us. Okay, wait. Now it will not bite. Come, hold my hands. Come.
Dog is a boy.
No, he's not a good boy. It's an animal. Come. What he has done to the soil. Okay, now we have to find the butterfly yet. Otherwise, we will lose this game. Because we have find all the things but not butterfly. How we will find the butterfly? Now go. But don't run, huh? Walk slowly. Where is the butterfly? Let's find this way. If we can find this by this side. On the plants. The butterflies are usually sits on. Where does they roam? Where does the butterflies roam? It roams upon the trees, plants, flowers. Maybe today we cannot find the butterfly because there is a very heavy storm outside.
Yeah.
Or we usually see the butterflies when it is sunny. You're tired.
No.
Then let's go. What happened to you? Why you are breaking your nails, beta? It will start hurting. Come. No, don't break it. Come. Hey, see, there is a cute cat. But don't go near to this. These cats are very dangerous. Why you are taking the leaf? Throw it away. Huh? No. Okay, I will pluck one leaf and then I'll give you. Don't take this dirty leaf. Come. More cat. Anna, what more? See, what is she doing here? She is feeling bored. She is getting bored.
Yeah.
Anna, what do you think? We have lose the game, right?
Yes.
Because we didn't find the butterfly yet. Right, Anna?
Yes.
We couldn't find any butterflies. So we have lose the game. Do you think we should play this game next time?
Yes.
Okay.
In the sunny day.
Okay. Come now. Now let's go home. Yes. Come, please. Anu, please come. This is the losing price of Anna. This is the losing price of Anvi. Let's go now home. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
In a home.
Okay. So if you like the video, do hit the like button and share.
The leave going.
Say bye to everyone.